Hello children, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn about what? Yes, you can see from the title that order of adjectives. In my last video, I have discussed with you about the positions of adjectives. So today, before starting this new one, we will revise the previous one, that is positions of adjectives. Children, you know that adjectives are descriptive words. They tell us more about nouns. For example, if I say I have a black cat, here cat is a noun and black describes the noun cat. Or you can say give us more information about the cat. So it's an adjective. We have also learnt about positions of adjectives. That adjectives usually go before nouns. But adjectives can come after a noun also. That means adjective can come either before a noun or after a noun. Now look at this. We have already learnt about position of adjective. We will just revise it. First, attributive position and predicative position. What is an attributive position? When an adjective is used directly before noun to describe it. For example, red apple. Here, apple is a noun and red is an adjective. So, children, you can see that here adjective red is used directly before noun to describe it. But in the case of predicative, the adjective is used after the noun to describe it. For example, apple is red. Here, apple is a noun and red is an adjective. Children, notice that here the adjective is used after the noun to describe it. So, I hope you have understood that adjectives can come either before a noun or after a noun. Now we will learn about order of adjectives. Before that, look at the picture given below and now we will read the following sentences. First, this is a small box. Here box is a noun and small describes the noun box. It tells us about the size of the box. So, here small is an adjective of size. Next sentence, this box is rectangular. Here rectangular is an adjective of shape as it tells us about the shape of a noun. And in the third sentence, this is a yellow box. Here, yellow is also an adjective. It tells us about the color of a noun. That means about the color of the box. So here, it is an adjective of color. So here, we get three adjectives. Small, rectangular and yellow to describe a noun, that is box. So when a noun is described by more than one adjective, now the question may arise in your mind that which of these adjectives should come first, which should come to the next, and which one should come at the end. Children, there is no cause of confusion because in English it is common to use more than one adjective to describe a noun. But remember that these adjectives must be used in proper order. So what should be the proper order of adjectives? The general order in which adjectives come before a noun is size, shape and color. That means first we will mention size, after that shape and lastly color. Now look at the example. It will help you to clear your concept. First children, if I ask you one by one to describe the table, that then some of your friend will tell me that it is a brown table. And some friend will also mention that it is a round table. Some friend of you will tell me that it is a big table. But now children, if I ask you to put all the three adjectives, that means brown, round, big, in correct order and to write a sentence, then how could you do that? You can write the sentence in that way. That means first we have to write size, then shape and at the end color. So I can say in this way that I like that big, round, brown table. Here table is a noun, big adjective of size, round adjective of shape and brown adjective of color. So in this sentence we have followed the general order in which adjectives come before a noun. Clear? So now children, tell me, which order is correct? Look at the picture. You can see a frog. So first option, a green tiny frog or a tiny green frog. Think about it. What is the general order in which adjectives come before a noun is size, shape and color. Here we get size and color, tiny and green. So option B will be the correct answer. A tiny green frog. First we will mention the size and then color. So a tiny green frog. In the next question, which order is correct? You can say a ball. A red round ball. Red is the color. So red is an adjective of color and round is an adjective of shape. So according to the rule, first we will write the shape and then color. So option B will be the correct answer. A round red ball. So I hope children you have understood that there is no limit in using adjectives in a sentence. However, adjectives cannot put in any order. Adjectives must be in the proper order, and that is size, shape and color. Now here is an activity for you. Put the adjectives in the correct order and write the expression. A. Dark long room. B. Black short cat. C. White small puppies. D. Yellow big round ball. E. Square brown small box.